Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time on my platform, you're welcome. I hope you do subscribe and keep watching other videos. Now my name is Ife, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this gourmet style plantain layers. This recipe or this plantain meal is perfect for hosting, and it has been crafted with different fresh ingredients that I use, which I'm going to list down everything in the description box below. If you're done watching and you have any questions, or while watching and you have any questions, please just put them down in the comment section and I'll do well to respond. I hope you do enjoy the video and keep watching.